Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Canon G6020 refusing to print in color and you're not sure why or how to fix it? The issue is often a clogged printhead, but outdated firmware or drivers can be also a culprit. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all the three issues step by step to get your printer printing in full color again. Let's get started. Method 1. Clean printhead. First, you need to gather a few supplies. You'll need a lint-free cloth, a small plastic container, a syringe with a tube, some warm water, and isopropyl alcohol. With your printer turned on, lift the scanner unit so you can get the printhead area. Now, wait for the printhead holder to stop moving. Once it stops, gently slide it towards the middle. After that, go to the back of the printer and unplug the power cord. Go back to the printhead area, then push up the little button with the arrow to open the printhead cover. Once you have opened the top cover, carefully take out the color printhead. If you'd like, you can also remove the black one to clean that too. Take your syringe and fill it with warm water and isopropyl alcohol mixture. Pick the color printhead, attach the tube to its nozzle, and slowly flush the cleaning solution through it. Repeat this for each nozzle until they're all clean. Note: keep the printhead in a plastic box so any solution or ink won't spill on your desk. When you're done, dry the printhead using a dry lint-free cloth. Once it's dry, place the printhead back into its slot. Close the printhead top cover. At last, lower the scanner unit and try printing in color again. If cleaning the printhead didn't do the magic, the next thing is try to update your printer's firmware. Method 2. Update firmware. Head over to your printer's control panel and make sure it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. Press the Setup button. Now, scroll to Device Settings and open it. Scroll again to select Firmware Update and open it. After that, select Install Update. Give the printer a moment to communicate with the server. When the display says the latest printer version is on your server, go ahead and press OK. The printer will now display the latest firmware version. Then press OK again to install it. When the printer asks you if you really want to install the update, select Yes. Take a quick look at the on-screen caution, then press OK to start the update. Now, sit tight while your printer downloads the latest firmware. After the download, the firmware update will begin automatically. Once the printer says Update succeeded, just press OK and try printing in color again. If your Canon printer is still not printing color, let's update your printer's driver via computer. Method 3. Update printer driver. Go to your computer, press the Windows plus R key to open the Run dialog box. Once the dialog box appears, search devmgmt.msc. Now, click on the print cues or printer and find your printer. Right-click on your printer and select Update Driver. Click on the Search automatically for drivers option.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.